We asked 5 top chefs from our Road to Cooking series to answer some serious questions about cooking for a living. While doing barrel rolls in a fighter plane over Los Angeles. We brought the chefs to the Lion Air Museum in Orange County, California. To the hangar to teach some of the world's top lifestyle influencers how to cook with the autopilot feature on a new Joule Oven. But we had a couple extra planes, so... All right, guys, so we're all here together in this hangar. So you guys have been pushing your careers to the limits. I know you know what that feels like. Today, we're gonna get into planes, and I'm gonna drill you about that. While you're in the plane getting pushed to the limits, we're gonna ask you, how hard has it been? What's the ups been like, the downs, the lefts, the rights, all that sort of stuff, okay? So we ready to go?
I'm scared as hell, but I'm up for the challenge.
Yeah?
Yes.
You really think you're gonna go first?
Okay, let's do it.
I'm bummed out that we can't actually jump out. That's what
You want to jump out?
I would.
I'm ready. I woke up at 5. I took my time. I'm like, you know, I want to have a long morning, so I'm wide awake for this.
I've always been drawn to ground control, you know? Feet on the ground. So I feel like I could be a great support for everybody here.
We're gonna get in the plane today?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna let Eric go
You're gonna see
before
what he looks like when he gets
sacrifice.
out of the plane.
That's true, yeah.
All right.
Jacket style.
I'm doing this! Holy smokes!
If I don't do it, I'll always like question.
I'm rooting for everybody from the ground.
Just forward and straight down.
You're excited!
I'm proud that I'm doing this. I'm also really like afraid.
There goes Eric. Godspeed, Eric!
Negative for copper 1.
If I had to grab onto something, what should I grab onto?
Let's roll.
Let's go!
I love you! Come back alive!
That's insane!
This is so fun.
Okay, you just took off in a plane. You're flying around, but let's talk about your career. What's the biggest risk you've taken as a chef?
Pursuing this career. I study computer science and realize it's not for me.
The biggest risk is not settling for a part-time cook job and knowing that the goals is what matters.
Yes, playing the long game. Going for broke.
Oh my God.
What's the biggest screw up you've ever had in front of paying customers?
Very, very early on in my career, I cut myself pretty bad, like pretty profusely as I'm prepping. So I head downstairs to like the prep room. Oh my God! Ah! Oh God! Oh my God!
I made this dessert for...
My sous chef played it. Oh, he played it to carrots that were so crunchy. Hello, Ocean.
How about you, Carla? Biggest screw up?
At a catered party that I was doing for my client, and basically turned about $600 of prime beef into the grayest cardboard you ever saw. It was really embarrassing.
Ah! She made it! Let's see some barrel rolls.
Oh my God! Holy shit! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! How was it?
Good. Yeah! Yes!
So much fun. Oh man, I'm exhilarated.
It was fucking crazy.
That was so much fun. I don't want to go again.
While the chefs demoed their Joule Oven recipes from the Road to Cooking, I got to fly. Those planes are amazing.
Here we go. Here comes the roll. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
None of us begin cooking with an itinerary or a map. There's no autopilot for your career. You have to make big decisions all by yourself. You just have to take that first step, that first big risk. Trust that you'll find your path, land on your feet, both wheels down, and keep going.
Talk about wheels down, here we are.
You've seen them do barrel rolls, now watch them cook in our new series, The Road to Cooking. Streaming now on ChefSteps.com.